camera. Okay, Abdul, please at least correct your name.
Done.
Okay, children. So in the last class, we were doing this lesson, finding the nature of the roots. So we studied this topic that what kind of nature can the roots have? Like the roots can be identical, or they can be not identical, or they can also be the case where the equation does not have any real roots at all. So the nature of the roots, first of all, you need to know that this is the general formula of a quadratic equation, right? This is the general formula, ax squared plus bx plus c. Now what happens?
Your
Find
voice is
root.
like
If the
keeps
root is
going.
equals
It's
to
like
x,
it's
so we
very
have a
lucky.
formula for x that's equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. So this is the general formula for finding a root, right? Now what happens? This term b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. Why is it called the discriminant? Because it is used to tell us that whether the roots that you have in your
Ma'am,
equation. Yes, Abdul.
ma'am, your voice is really bugging.
My voice is.
It's like very laggy.
It's very low. What about Umair? Umair, is it low to you as well?
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, children. I'll just use headphones. Just give me a minute.
no, it's like it goes out of focus every 1 second.
1 second, just Abdul, okay? Children, do you hear me now?
Yes.
Is it fine? Is my voice fine now? Umair, your camera is off, right?
No, it's not fine.
What about Umair?
But ma'am,
Is my voice not clear to you as well?
yeah, it's like bugging.
Bugging? I mean, is it like breaking?
Yeah.
Like that sound.
Um, I don't know, children. What's the issue with my voice today? Children, is it clear now?
No, ma'am.
Became a bit worse.
It's not. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, children, just give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, try rejoining.
Children, let's do one thing. I will write a question on the board. You can do that question by the time I'll rejoining so that my voice becomes better. Okay? Can you tell me, is my voice still not fine?
Little better, but not completely fine.
Yeah, to Mayor as well. Why do you also not hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so children, this is the question on the board. Please try doing this. I'll try to
I
change
hear
my
you,
location.
but you're like breaking.
Okay, children, just give me 1 minute. Okay, please by the time do this question. Children, please tell me, is my voice clear now?
Yeah.
No.
Is it better?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
better.
Okay, fine, children. I just try to relocate my. Okay, children, have you completed this question?
No.
Still doing?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, children completed?
Yes.
Okay. So what happens when we have exactly two roots? What is the condition for that? Who will tell me the solution for it? Yeah, children, do you hear me? Please respond.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, who will tell me the solution for it?
Ma'am, I'm confused, so maybe
Yes, Abdul. Umair,
I'm
would you like to?
confused, so
Umair, do you know the solution?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, tell us the solution.
So if the polynomial gotta have two roots, then the b square minus 4ac should be more than 0.
Okay.
So 2 square minus 4 into 6 into k
Has two
should be more
equal
than
roots.
0.
Has two equal roots actually. It's the same question only. See, it's like this one only. Has two identical roots. I forgot to write equal. Okay, so now just put equal to sign. Yeah. So what's b square now? First see children. Here we have to first solve the equation to find b and c and everything. So what I will do is I will solve this solution, this equation. So I have something
So
like
then k
kx
should be 1
square
by 5.
minus 2kx plus 6 is 0. Yeah, so now tell me what is the value of b?
K.
Minus 2.
Okay, it's minus 2k. b is minus 2k. What is a?
K.
A is k. And what is c?
K. 6.
Yes, so now you apply the formula. B square minus 4ac will become 4k square minus 4 into a into c is 6. Should be 0. So 4k square should be 0. So 4k square should be equal to 24k. Okay, now k square is equals to 24k by 4. This becomes 6. Now see, k square is 6k. Now, can I cancel 1k with 1k? So k is equals to 6, right? The value of k is 6. Just see to it and tell me, do you understand or not?
Yes.
Clear?
No, ma'am.
Abdul doesn't understand. Abdul, did you watch the recording of the previous class that you missed?
What?
Did you watch the recording of the previous class that you missed?
No, ma'am. I was outside. I just came yesterday, like 1 a.m.
But Abdul, I told you in the last class, first of all, you're missing a lot of classes. Then you're not even watching the recording. This way, you will not see. For this class, you have attended just one class for this chapter. Now, how do you expect to understand this lesson then? If you are attending only one class of an entire lesson, this is your second class. There have been 4, 5, I guess this is the 4th or the 5th class for this lesson. Child, see, there's no problem that I explain you again. I can explain you 10 times also. But the point is that you need to at least attend the classes to be able to understand. Now, this concept I explained in yesterday's class. And yesterday, you were not there. You did not even attend the classes. Not yesterday, day before yesterday. So look here, what happens? Uh, we have this formula b square minus 4ac. So here b square minus 4ac, b is what? The coefficient of x. A is the coefficient of x square and c is the constant term. So what happens? I will find the value of b square minus 4ac. If it is more than 0, that means your roots are different. If it is equal to 0, that means the roots are identical. If it is less than 0, that means it does not have a real root, the equation. So, for example, what happens? Now it is given to you in the question. Find the value of k such that this equation has two identical roots. So, I told you, whenever you have identical roots, the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. Right? Whenever I have two identical roots. So, now this is your equation. So, first of all, for this equation, you find the value of b square minus 4ac. So, b square minus 4ac will become how? K square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Then you equate that thing to 0 and then you can find the value of k. In a similar way, in this question also you will do the same thing. You find b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, and then you find the value and then equate it to 0. Alright? Do you
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah. Can you show the formula once again, like the on the top?
It is written here.
No, not this one. Like the the different no real root. Come on.
Yeah, this one you can see. This is the formula.
N is equals to
Okay.
to s. Yeah.
Look at this one also.
b2 a minus 4 ac 2 minus 4 ac equals to 0 equals to 0. Done.
Okay, so children, now we move forward to the next question. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and area So what you have to tell me here is, can you design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and also its area is 800 meters square? So what you will do in this question is, first of all, you will form an equation out of it. Form a quadratic equation. Write the formula, let breadth be x, so length is 2x, then you multiply 2 into x should give you 800 meters square, and then what you will do is, you will find the value of b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac gives you a certain thing, like if it is more than 0 or if it is equal to 0, that means it is possible to design a rectangular group. But for some reason, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means it has no real roots. That means it is not possible to design such kind of thing. Okay? You understand the solution, how we have to do? Start doing it, children. Yes, did anybody complete it?
No,
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
The question reads, is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth.
Ma'am, which chapter is this?
What are you saying, Abdul?
Which chapter is this?
This is quadratic equations. We learned how to form the formulas. You remember how we form an equation out of the question? Like if a statement is given to you, so how are you supposed to form the equation? Do
I
you remember
think
those
so.
type of
No.
questions? Okay, see, I'll explain you only what happens. You will consider let the breadth be x meter actually, because it's meter square, so we'll take x meter. So length is how much? Twice its breadth. So length is 2x meter. Now it is given to you, area is 800 meter. So what does it become? X into 2x is 800. So 2x square is 800, right? So this is your equation now. You can also write it as 2x square minus 800 is equals to 0. So this is your required quadratic equation. Now to check whether this equation has solutions or not, what you will do now, you will check the value for b square minus 4ac. Okay, you check for b square minus 4ac. Now what happens? What is b over here? What is b over here?
2x.
No. General formula is ax square plus bx plus c. So here b is coefficient of x. Do you have any x over here?
Yeah.
You see any x?
Yeah.
Where is the x, Abdul?
Next to 2.
X square it is, not x. I have an x square but I don't have x. X square and x are different things. You have x square
Yeah.
but you don't have x.
Yeah.
Yeah, so tell me, do you have any x? No. So I don't have b also, so the value of b is 0. What is the value of a?
2x square.
A is the coefficient of x square. So what is the number that is attached with x square? It's 2. And what is c? Minus 800. Okay. So your answer becomes b square minus 4 is 0 minus 4 into 2 into minus 800. So this becomes 0 minus plus 6400. Now this term is more than 0. So what kind of roots does this question has? Tell me what kind of
Um,
roots does this question has?
different.
Yeah, different roots. So does it has roots or not? Yes. Is it possible to form a rectangular mango group? Okay. If you have the same question, but the equation that you are able to form, that equation on solving it further, you see, okay, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That means you don't have any real roots. That means can you form a mango group now? Can you form or not?
Yes.
No, we cannot form a mango group. So you don't have any roots. Umair, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will do the next question. The question says, in the following is the following situation possible? And what is the situation? The sum of two friends, 20 years, 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Okay, you have to tell me whether it is a possible situation or not. Just look at the question, analyze it well, and then tell me the solution. Yes, children. Done or not? Do I speak a little loudly? Completed or not?
Yeah.
And what about Abdul? Abdul, have you completed?
Yeah.
Okay. So children, now let's discuss the answer. So first of all, it says the sum of the ages of
It's not possible.
not possible. Okay, let's check the answer. So it is given in the question, sum of two ages of two friends is 20 years. So 4 years ago, the product of their ages is 48 years. So what happens? Let's consider let age of friend 1 be x years. So age of friend 2 is how much? 20 minus x. Now according to the situation, 4 years ago. Now 4 years ago, their ages were. How much was their ages? 4 years back, x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4. So this part will become how much? 16 minus x. The product was how much? 48. So now you find the product. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x is 48. Now you form an equation. 16x minus x 4x is equals to 48. Okay, so 16x plus 4x is 20x minus x square 48 and plus 64. So let's carry everything to the right hand side only. X square minus 20x plus 112 is 0. Yeah, so this do you get this equation or not? Do you get this equation?
Yes, ma'am, I got the equation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now to check whether it has roots or not, what you will do, you find b square minus 4ac. So what is the value now? What is b square? Minus 20 square minus 4 into a. What is a1 into c? C is 112. Right? So 400 minus. Okay, now how much is it? Minus 48. Now, children, you see minus 48 is less than 0. That means, does it has any real roots? No. The equation doesn't has any real roots. Thus, the situation is not possible. Okay. Do you understand this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. So one last question for this one we have is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters? If so, find its length and breadth. Now what do you have to do here? You have to first form the equation, then again check it in the same way using the discriminant formula, and then you even have to find its two roots. Okay, so try doing this question. It's an important question, and such type of questions are often asked in 3-mark questions. Okay, so do it. Yes, children, have you completed or not? Abdul, have you completed?
Almost, almost.
Almost. Okay.
I just don't know like which formula to use something.
You have to use b square minus 4ac. Have you formed the equation first? Did you
Yeah,
form the equation? Okay, so in that equation now you use that formula b square minus 4ac, and you calculate what is the value for b square minus 4ac. Do you want me to solve it?
yeah.
Okay, look here. It is given in the question, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter? Now tell me, let's consider there is a park. Okay, so twice the length plus breadth is equal to 80, right? Why? Because the perimeter is 80 and the formula for perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Do you know this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
I think you don't know the formula for perimeter. 2 into length plus breadth. Learn it. Okay, for a rectangle, perimeter means this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. So the sum of all sides is the perimeter. So its formula is twice L plus B. Now what I will do, I will remove this 2. So I get L plus B is 40. I cancelled 80 with 2, so I get 40. Now let length
Wait, how do you get
b.
40?
Okay, 2 into L plus b is 80. So L plus b is 80 by 2. So you transpose this 2 over here, so it becomes 40.
Okay, okay.
So let length be x meters. So breadth is how much meters? 40
40
minus x meters. Now it is given to you, area is how much? 400 meters square. So if area is 400 meters square, 400 meters square, so this becomes x into 400 minus x is 40. So this becomes 40x minus x squared equals to 400. So now you transpose everything to the right, you get x squared minus 40x plus 400 is 0. So this is the equation that we get, right? This is the equation. Now what I will do, I will apply the formula b square minus 4ac. I use the formula b square minus 4ac. So what is b here?
40
Okay, it's minus 40.
Minus 40.
Do minus 40 square minus 4 into, what is a?
was is 400.
A is 1. With x square, what is the number attached? 1. So a is 1 into c. C is 400. Now let's calculate. 400 minus 4 into 400 is 1600. 400 minus 1600 becomes minus 1200. Now minus 1200, is it less than 0 or more than 0?
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Okay. This is the equation you have, x square minus 40 x plus 400.
Yeah,
You don't understand how we form this equation also. Okay, I'll
no, I
explain you
understand
again.
that.
Look here. We have been given that there is a rectangular part that is in the form of a rectangle and its perimeter is 80 meter. Okay, I don't know its length, I don't know its breadth. Its perimeter is 80 meter and its area is 400 meter. So first of all, I will form an equation out of it. So let's consider 2 into length plus breadth is 80. We know this formula now. Okay, so length plus breadth is 40. Okay, now what do? I consider length as x meter. So my breadth becomes 40 minus x meter, right? And now the formula for area is x into 40 minus x. So the answer becomes x into 40 minus x is 400. Now you will multiply it. X into 40 is 40x. X into minus x is minus x square and is equals to 400, remains as it is. Then you get this equation, x square minus 40x plus 400 is 0. Now from this equation, look at it very carefully. X square minus 40x plus 400 is 0. The number that is attached with the x square is called 1, is called a. So what is the number with x square? 1. So here a is 1. The number that is attached with x is called b. So here b is minus 40. The number that is not with any other letter, that is a constant number. So that's called c is 400. Right?
Yeah,
Yes or no? Okay. Now I have this formula b square minus 4 into a into c. I apply this formula. So I get b square is minus 40 square minus 4 into a into c. So minus 40 square is 1600 minus 4 into 400 is 1600. Oh, mistakenly I wrote 400. Correct it. This is 0, okay? 1600. Because 40 square is also 1600. So you get 0 as your answer. Now, Abdul, if you're getting 0 as your answer, that means for this question you have two equal roots. Okay, that means you have two equal roots for this question. That means your length and breadth is
How is
same.
40 square 1600? It should be 160, right?
40 into 40. So 4 into 4 is 16. 0 into 0, you try 2 times 0.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so 1600 minus 1600, so you get 0 as your answer. Right, now what happens? That means the equation has two equal roots. Since b square minus 4ac is 0, thus the equation has two equal roots. Okay, thus the length is equal to breadth and the field is a square. Okay, you understand this much?
Yeah, let me write it down.
Okay, yeah, please write it all of it down. Start writing from here and just tell me to scroll whenever when you've written this much.
I wrote that. You can scroll down.
Just write this down.
Yeah, from here. Yeah, scroll down.
Umair, are you there?
What did you write after that? Thus, the length is
Yes.
equals to.
Is equals to breadth. Umair, did you complete the question? Did you complete the question? So what is your answer? What is your answer? Umair, what is your answer if you've completed the question?
I got I got 6,000 b square is equal to 4,800.
How come? This is our equation. Yes, Abdul, have you done?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move ahead. So we have this one more question. How will you find the value of 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equals to 0 when find k, and this is the question, when the equation has equal roots. So what you will do over here, Abdul, see, whenever the equation has equal roots, that means b square minus 4ac should be 0. What is b over here in this equation? What is b?
K minus K.
b is k square minus 4 into what is a?
2.
2 into c. What is c?
0.
No, c is 3. 3.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so k, this should be equal to 0. So k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 gives you how much? 24 is 0. So k square is 24 and this k is under root of 24. So this is the value of k. Okay, so whenever they are asking you such type of questions, you will analyze the question first and then you will. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Umair, are you there? Umair, I guess you have some network issue today.
Yes, ma'am.
Umair, we have discussed this question. Did you get this answer? Did you get both of uh, the roots are equal?
No.
No, then you need to correct it. See, this is the correct equation. This is the equation that we will form. Did you get this equation? And from this equation, you will have b square minus 4ac is 0. Okay, and thus it has equal roots. Now, what if it has equal roots? If it has equal roots, that means length and breadth are equal. That means it's actually a square field, not a rectangular field. All right. Abdul, did you also understand everything?